Alright, good day to you wherever you are listening to this. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can convert your text to audio, and the website I'm going to use is morph.ai. Morph.ai is a platform that helps you to convert your text to an audio file, an audio mp3 file. If you don't have an account, you can just create a free account like I just did here, and once the account is created, you can just click on create project and type the name of your project. Right, this time around I'm going to be creating a project generated from my ChatGPT, and here are most inspiring quote from Les Brown. So I want to convert that to text. Okay, I'll just put Les Brown. All right, it's an audio file, so I'll just click on create a blank. It's a personal listing audio stuff, and in morph.ai we have different AI that we can use, but because you are not using the pro, you are limited to few AI that you can actually test run to see how it works. So I'm going to click one of these. This is free, and I'm going to enter my text. You can just paste your text. It will ask you, do you want to split it? I can say, okay, paste script. You just split it the way you have it here. So once that is done, all right, so then you can click on play. Immediately you click on play, the AI will start generating the audio. So you have to wait for it for a while. That's about 49 seconds. That's done.
Certainly.
So
here are 10 inspiring quotes from Les Brown. You must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is, or how hard it gets, I'm going to make it. Your ability to communicate is an important tool in your pursuit. You must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is. So
you can modify it. Okay, let me pause it. Okay, I want to modify it 1, 2, and give it numbering. 3, 4, 5, 6. Just number it 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's play it all over again. So it's regenerating the content. So morph.ai is one of the audio text to audio system.
Here are 10 inspiring quotes from Les Brown. 1. You must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is, or how hard it gets, I'm going to make it. 2. Your ability to communicate.
Okay, click on stop. I think we are done with that. Now the next thing is for us to export it. But at the process of export, want to export voice only, you can click on download. But the thing is, for you to be able to download, you have to pay $29 per month. So I'm going to show you how to bypass that. So to bypass this payment, you have to click on share. Click on share and click on share preview. Then create the sharing link. So once you have created the sharing link, all right, copy the sharing link and open it on a new tab like this. All right, you will have the audio file like this. So once it's loaded here, you can play it. Okay, now come down towards the end of this. Come down, make sure you use Google Chrome. You can use Google Chrome. Click on it and click on inspect. When you click on inspect, click on this arrow. Click on this arrow. Select the audio itself here. You will see the source here. Right click on it, double click on it, and right click and click on go to Morph AI upload. You will have the audio file here, and you can easily download the audio file. All right, so that's how to use the Morph AI without paying a dime. So I'm going to check for my downloads now, and I'm going to release it. I'm sure this will be helpful for you. 10 quotes from Les Brown. All right, so you can play it, you can use it in any of your projects. You can create as many as you want to create using these features. So that's all on that. And I don't know if in times to come they will limit the number of audio you can do with this, but I think for now you can still enjoy it, and possibly it's possible you'll be able to delete any of it if in no time you are limited to some of these things. So that's how to use that. If this video has helped you, kindly subscribe to my channel and share the video with others who are struggling with converting their text to AI.